How to make WeTransfer link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a WeTransfer link quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and go to the WeTransfer website. And once you are there, simply look for the upload file options. And now here on the tab on the left side you can see the option labeled add file. So simply tap on that. And after clicking on that, it will open your file explorer, allowing you to choose any files, whether it's video, image or document. So I'll go ahead and select an image as an example. And once I have selected that, I'm going to simply tap on the three dot icon shown right here. And from there I'm gonna simply click on create link, and after that WeTransfer will begin processing your file, so you just have to wait for a few moments. And there you have it, the link is ready. Now you can simply copy and share it with anyone you want, and that's how you can create a WeTransfer link. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.